here too technical. So today I just want to show you how to set up two different fingers on your fingerprint scanner on your Moto G 2025. So you want to find device unlock, then you want to go to face and fingerprint unlock. Type in your code. Once you're in there, you want to go to fingerprint. I currently have two fingers set on one fingerprint, so let's go to delete. I want to show you how I do this, because you never know where you are and what kind of position you're in to where you need to unlock your phone. You don't just have to have one finger. So I'm going to hit setup. So it's telling you what to do. The scanner is right here, so I'm going to do my thumb. You don't just have to use one finger. I like to use my thumb and my index finger, because like I said, you never know how you set your phone down and how you may need to pick it up. You can even set 3 different fingers on one fingerprint, but I like to just set 2 different fingers on one. So now I'm gonna hit done. Now when I go lock my phone, I can use my thumb or my index finger, just like that. Thumb or index finger, just simple as that. I always set up my thumb and my index finger on whatever kind of phone device I have, whether it be in display fingerprint scanner or a side mounted. I always set up 2 fingers. That way, if the thumb is not working, then I have access to my index finger, because you can do it. Some people think you just have to set up one finger with one fingerprint. No, you can do all. You could do all 5 fingers with just one fingerprint, but I just like to use 2, and it always works. So I have a backup, because say you never know, this finger might get burnt so bad to where my fingerprint is gone. So then that way I'll have backup for my index. So that is how you set up 2 fingers for your Moto G 2025 fingerprint scanner. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video on my